yeah. Slow down, let's ride a wave and let it take us to another place. And maybe we can know now. Let's take a chance. I feel like we can make this thing last. You got it going on, you got the right feel. The vibe is in the air, I can tell that's how you feel. And then you look at me, and then I look at you. They told me you was beautiful.
Ramen.
This is a video, Nate. You look dumb. Anyway, this is it. All right.
How are we going to go to the lake with this boat?
Good question. As soon as Nate gets it fixed.
Woohoo!
All right. So Ski Challenger S20 1997. Let's do a quick rundown. Nate, we know that it sucked up some sort of seaweed or something, supposedly, and that's what caused the engine to overheat. I was told that this needs a new engine. That's worst case scenario. It could be some other options too, baby. But anyway, we're about to find out. All right, let me undo this for you, Nate. All right, dude, let's pull that doghouse up, man, and see what it looks like.
See this cool little contraption here.
Oh, it does need a new floor. Yep. That's good news. The floor looks to be fiberglass. Okay.
Is there like a...
Yeah, we're probably gonna need to pull these little guys off. Is there anything in here that says to you, oh crap? So, the owner did tell me that when they stopped it, the plastic had melted everything. I don't know what that means. It has, so this is the 350 Magnum tournament ski. I think this is the entry level V8. I think they had 3 different models. I'll need to double check which model this was. So I'm not seeing anything that's really making me go, what the heck is going on? That's paint from this, it looks like rusted away. One thing that I thought was kind of interesting, now go ahead and move the throttle cable, because I saw that they had some throttle cables. Go ahead and move the throttle. Go all the way forward. There we go. All the way, put it in reverse. Okay. I saw that they had replaced some cables. Go ahead and set this down, because there are some cables, I think, over here, just laying on the floor somewhere. Oh, yeah, back here. So it looks like they replaced those. They did something. Upholstery's in really bad shape. Oh, nice!
Cup holder.
Everyone needs one of those. I would like to see if we can find the stereo. Oh, we're missing that guide over there, because it's right here. All right, Nate, so first things first, we put a good battery in this boat tomorrow, crank it over, and see what kind of activity we get. Hey, Nate.
Yeah.
This is day 2.
Day 2.
We're going to plug in my battery. Where'd the battery go? Did you put it in there? There we go. Plug in the battery, see what kind of activity we get, and I think we'll make a list of our problems that we need to repair. Nate, do it again. Okay. That sound is bad. Click it again. Okay, because this battery's good. Sounds like the starter's trying to engage, but it's not turning the engine over. Tells us the engine may be seized.
Oh no.
Right, let's figure that out.
Slow down, let's ride a wave and let it take us to another place. And maybe we can know now. Let's take a chance. I feel like we can make this thing last. You got it going on, you got the right feel. The vibe is in the air, I can tell that's how you feel. And then you look at me, and then I look at you. They told me you was beautiful, but now I know it's true. Yeah. So let's slow down, and let's slow down, yeah, and let's slow down. and let's slow down.